Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. So in our last video of Autodesk Construction Cloud discussion, we have discussed how we can create a project on ACC, how we can add the members on ACC, how we can publish a package, same, and how we can consume a package on ACC, and a lot of more about design collaboration and document management, all those kind of things we have discussed. Okay. Now, in this particular video, um, we'll start from the remaining portion of design collaboration. It's just one or two features that we'll discuss, and then we'll move on for the model coordination, and then we'll jump on to the what we can say the takeoff material takeoff thing of Autodesk Construction Cloud. So let's start. Right now on the screen, you can see that I'm in Autodesk Docs folder. So that's same document management. We have discussed a lot of things about this one. So let me go with the design collaboration. That one feature was pending, that was manage. Inside that one, earlier we discussed that the model was not showing because we did not publish any package at that moment. Now, actually, we published the both the package. Either it is mechanical package or architectural package. If I'll click on architectural as well, the MEP also published and consumed. The architectural also, click on, sorry, MP, we also published and consumed. Okay. So now, let me show you. Click on settings and what's pending and what's remaining. Okay, team setup. We already set up two teams: architectural team and MEP team. Subset folders, we already defined that which folder will be going at which location. Okay. The coordination spaces. These spaces are created. There are three spaces are created, and the class direction is on for all these three. Okay. Shared federated model is right there. Architectural path we already given. These kind of things we'll see a little bit in detail in model coordination feature of this one of ACC. But just remind that there are three folders that we have created for the coordination spaces. Click on manage. This was pending last time, but actually as we uh, as we turn on our what we can say uh, as we publish our model on ACC, it'll show us all the published model. Okay, so right now we can select any of the model. Why we are selecting it? Because for example, if you are 30 to 40 models on Autodesk Construction Cloud, so Autodesk Construction Cloud needs to federate your model, right? So in terms of that, it needs the level, correct level, phases, or any another references. So for that one, it needs one particular model. From there it can extract all the data. So that is why it needs one particular model as a main model. So in that it can federate all those kind of things. So right now I'm going with architectural one, but as per your project's requirement, you should choose the particular one. The best practice is that the first model, maybe the site model that we normally call it, you can refer that one, or the architectural model. Okay, you should go with that one. So right now we have freeze the design collaboration feature, each and everything. There are a lot of things, the issues and project status, those kind of things. The main thing is right here, the issues. Okay, so issues we'll discuss about that one in model coordination is the same thing. So we'll discuss in model coordination thing. Okay, so let me jump on to the model coordination then, and we'll see what it shows to us, and what are the key benefits of model coordination. So as the name says, model coordination, this is the basic purpose of the clashes. So right now on the particular screen, you can see there are two models that we are having. If you are 50 model, it will show the 50 models based on the what we can say the spaces that you created right there. Okay, right now the another tab that we can see right here, the version means the first one you can see. Okay, before version, let's jump onto the folder, otherwise you'll not get the point. Right now it's showing the version 1 and the version 3 right here. So folder path, first of all, you can see right here the MEP model is from WIP MEP. It means this is the main model. You are looking at this one as a MEP guy right now, so you can see the WIP MEP model is the actual model, your actual model, right? But the architectural model is not from WIP folder. Why it is so? It is from WIP MEP, but my point is WIP architectural is not right there. It's from WIP MEP folder, then inside this one is consumed and the architectural, right? So what does it mean is that if you can remember from first video, I told you that that is not the best practice that you are going with the shared folder or the live folder. Live folder means the WIP folder, right? Of another services. Why it is so? Because if you are going with the live model or the share folder, you have linked those models into in your main model. Every time if they are syncing or publishing their package in the shared folder, you will see those changes in your model. So if you are having deadlines of tomorrow and you are referring the architectural model from the shared folder and they have published the model today, you will see all those changes by today. Okay. So you'll not be able to incorporate all those changes that you already finished your work, right? So that is why the best practice is to follow the consumed folder. Consumed folder is that they have shared their package, that's fine, but you are not consuming that one. So if you are not consuming, it will not reflect in your consumed folder. Okay. So that's the best practice. That is why right here ACC is considering that if you are MEP guy, our architectural file will be from MEP's consumed folder. Okay. So that's the thing. Right now, if you are see from a architectural perspective, there is one clash. You can click on, you can go right there. One is MEP, and from MEP's one perspective, there are two clashes. We'll discuss about that one. But before than that, I just wanted to show you something. I'll go in settings. Right here in the settings, it's you can see right here coordination spaces, right? So it is the same thing that we have created in design collaboration. The same MEP, RHL, and the shared one. The file path is already defined as per the that we discussed earlier as well. 10th of June, that's same thing added by me, and class detection is on. We are having max to max 20 spaces we can create with the class detection feature in ACC as of now. Okay, so that's the best practice. We can deactivate it, but do not deactivate it if you need that one, because it's kind of um, undo feature is not right there. So please make sure if you are creating any coordination space, you should be clear about that one. Okay. Now let me go in the models again, and yeah, we'll see a little bit detail what is showing and how it is beneficial for us. Okay. Now, if I'll click on this, okay, first of all, let me show you the federated model. So there are 50 model. You want to see the federated model, just click right there, or you can select the models. Okay, both the things are right there. Click on open in viewer. If I'll click on that one, it'll show me the full model. And inside that one, we can see the clash of those kind of things as well. We'll see. So right now you can see this is our federated model. Okay. We are having two files right here. Save view, we'll discuss about the save view things as well. There are four more options. We'll discuss about that one. So firstly, let's start with the transform. Transform means the same thing in Navisworks. If you have seen that one, select the model, which model you want to do transform. Transform means the movement. Right. Yeah, sorry. So yeah, just click. Yeah, sorry. I was not feeling well that much. So let me go with the RHL model. I wanted to transform this particular model. I can fill the data from right here. You can see. But one more thing we can have this one. So both the things we can do, but that's not. Sorry. So but this is not the best practice to see the things in a proper order. So I wanted to cancel this one. But if you'll see that your model is not coming at the proper location, please cross check with your coordinates in Revit. Okay, so just align your coordinates right there, and then you can adjust your model in the Revit itself, not right there. But if you are having some kind of critical thing and you want to transform your things, you can do right here. You can rotate it as well. So it depends on how you want to rotate. There are three steps of that one. You can go like that. Okay, I'm not going with that much depth because that's not the best practice to do it. But Autodesk Construction Cloud has shown the feature, so I just told you. Now, right here, you can see the save option. What does it mean is that if you want to save a particular view, you can do that thing as well in ACC. I just wanted to save this view so that whenever I just wanted to come at this particular location, I do not need to set up the things as per the actual location. So what I'll do is that I'll just come right here, and what I wanted to see in this particular one, let's go in model browser thing. I just wanted to see okay, wall and duct. Okay, I just want to see the walls and duct. So what I'll do is that walls, sorry, man, let me turn off all the remaining one, and ducts. So yeah, I can see only walls and ducts. If you'll see, this is light, so it means it is not showing. So I just want to save this particular view like this. So I'll click on save view, duct. Okay. I just want to make it private or public. It depends your requirement, and you can add some description right there. So I'll go with the private as of now. Click on save view. It'll be saved. So let it save. Yeah, it's saved. Fine. Now let me minimize this one because we'll discuss a lot of more features. Perfect. Yeah. So right now in model browser, we can see there are three. Let's go one by one, man. First one is filter. So you can see both the things that we discussed right now. Second one is turn on off. If you want to go just with the architectural, you can go with architectural or MEP, something like that. Right now we are not going. Okay, let me. Yeah. So right now, let's go with the discipline wise. For example, in this particular view, I can see each and everything, whether it's architectural, MEP, if there is any structural, something like that. But I just wanted to see only architectural. I'll click on that one. I can see only architectural. But inside the architectural only, I just wanted to see the roof. Okay, we can do that thing. Same thing. Let me turn on all. Same thing for MEP. Like I just want to see only duct, so I'll go in mechanical because we know that duct is part of mechanical discipline. So it will be like that. But for example, if in mechanical as well, there is mechanical equipment or something like that one. So what you can do is that directly go in right here in the categories, and you can. So let me select all, and then you can go with the what we can say ducts. Okay, I'll show you the duct. Perfect. You can update your view as per your requirement, but right now I'm not going with that. So that's the model browser feature. The third one is the clashes. That's very important thing. So let me first of all remove each and every things that we did as of now. Sorry, select all. Yeah, that's fine. Perfect. So all selected, or I can remove this particular filter from right there as well. So that's the thing about the model browser. Now that's very important thing about this one. That's what we can say clashes. Okay. So right now it automatically highlights the all the clashes if there is any. So as you can see at the beginning when we started this, what we can say model coordination feature, there was one clash in front of architectural model, two clashes in front of MEP model. It's the same thing right here. You can see the two clashes one other with one another model. So two clashes with one other model means right now you can see the primary model is the architectural one. So it is showing that there are two clashes with other model. Okay. So right now, if you'll see, it is showing in red. First of all, let me show you the primary and the clashes with. Primary model, it means whatever it's showing in red right here, it'll be the primary model. You can change the primary model from right there. Like for example, if I'll change it to MEP, you can see the red color is for the MEP services. Right now we are having two models, so that is why it is taking default. The another one is RHL. If there is multiple, you have to select that particular model as well. Okay. Now the group by, you can, if you want to group any particular, by size or by width or something like that, you can do that thing as well. By size, maybe if there is any, it will be grouped all of them. Okay. It is based on that. But right now it's not applicable for us, so yeah, we cannot go with that. No worries, that's fine. Yeah, it's kind of the tolerance. Show clashes above inches. It is kind of a tolerance thing, right? So it means if it's just one inch clash, we can ignore it, or zero 0.5 or something like that. If you want to go that like that way, you can just type right here. It'll be considered. Sorry, 0.51 like that. Okay, so you can do, or the below value or above value, we are also having those kind of options rather. Perfect. So right now I just wanted to go with the above value. So I guess, yeah, it's above value. So it means till 0.5 it will not show me the clash, but above than 0.5 it will show me the clashes. There are two clashes. If I'll select this one, it will show me that's my duct is clashing with the wall. If I click on the another one, what is showing two? Okay. Right here you can see my primary model is the MEP. Okay, so from the MEP perspective, there are two clashes. First one is with the pipe. So right now, actually this is the pipe, but our pipe is very thin, so we did not see that one. But the first pipe is 155 59 pipe is clashing with the wall. Okay, the second one is the ducting, it's clashing with the wall. So there are two clashes. Okay, so we can now let's discuss about the issue. So let me highlight this particular clash as issue, and I want to go with the MEP guy that please resolve this particular clash. So I just clicked on this issue button right here. Click on issue. Click on the location. Okay. So I just clicked on the location. It'll show me a pop-up. Just wait, and it's creating the issue. There are more features, but those are kind of normal features that you have seen on Autodesk Construction Cloud or BIM360. So I'll not go with that much detail. But if you want, we can discuss about that. Just comment in this chat box, and then we'll discuss in further video. Okay. So right now, there are a lot of details like coordination with the basic wall. Definitely, we can change the title. For example, duct clashing with wall. Okay, we can do things. Please do not judge that it's the best practice that duct will penetrate or something like that. I'm just showing you uh, the that how we can create the issues and how we can rectify that's clashing or not. Status is open as of now, but if you want to change, you can go with the remaining options as well. Right now it is open. It's coordination type, right? If you want to choose like it's clash, you can do with the clash as well, or something other things are also right there. Okay. Now I'll go with the clash as of now. Description, you can type right there. Mechanical duct is clashing with a racial wall. Okay, perfect. Assign to, yeah, we can assign because there are only two members, so we can go with that one. Otherwise, you can go with the like I want to assign the BIM manager. Okay, so you can assign the BIM manager. BIM manager, who is the BIM manager? The another guy, the another BIM guy, right? So you can play with the location as well, the email ID. So if I'll click on architect, sorry, not the architect, the BIM manager, it'll automatically goes with the another the BIM manager of this project that was the BIM Guru 95 email ID. Okay. Now, right here, the watcher. Watcher means the notifier kind of thing. Like, sorry, not the notifier. The notification will be gone with a particular person as well, so that he also can observe that it's resolved or not, something like that. So let me go with this particular member, like that's me. Okay. Now the location as well. If you want to define a particular location by the grid wise or by room wise or something like that, you can define from that as well. Same thing, location details or due date. You can define that by which date you want to. Like I just assigned this one by today. So let me suppose by till Friday, it needs to resolve this one. Start date is today, correct? The MEP model, right? It already taken the screenshot of this one. The root cause, you can define the root cause as per the problem. That's it is a design coordination problem, constructability problem, or what it is. Okay. So let me go with the coordination as of now. That's coordination problem. Coordination, like it should not clash right there. Okay. Now, if I want to comment, I can comment right here as well, and I can submit it. We can discuss like the another guy that to whom I have assigned this particular issue. He can also comment that's valid or something like that. We can discuss right here as well. Okay, and all the activities will be discussed, all be seen right here. Right now, it is unpublished. So if I'll click on this one, publish. Uh, the issue successfully. Sorry, I have to publish that one. It is published. Okay. So now I can see all those logs right there. Okay. Now you can see the what we can say, the portion is changed from architectural to BIM. Everything will be right here that we are changing in this particular location. Okay. Now let me close this one. Issue is created. If I click on this one, it will show me at the actual location. Okay. So that's how we can create the issue or something like that. Now let me close this one. As of now, we have discussed about the issues or something like that one. Let's discuss about the report as well, because we have created one issue, and if the BIM manager or the authority guy, like project admin, wanted to review how a project is going on, how many issues are there, or something like that, he can see in the reports. Okay, so I just clicked on the reports. Let's see what kind of options it is showing to us. Okay, so let's see. Let it open, and then we'll go through with it. Yeah. So right now, we are having two options. The template for the report creation. We are having multiple options right there. So if you want to go with that one, you can do that one as well. But right now, I just wanted to go with the report log, and I just wanted to create a report based on which one issue details, like how many issues are right there, and something like that. So created on or something like that. I can choose a date, okay, or assign to or something like that. Whatever I want to choose. The past 7 days or past 30 days, I can choose from right here as well. Sort by ID or title, description, anything that I want to choose from right here. So like I just want to go with the status so that whatever is opened, it will show us the open status. PDF format, yes, definitely I'll go with the PDF formats and all those parameters I want in this particular what we can say report. Okay, so let me click on run report. It'll show me okay, save template can be run again later or schedule. Okay, so right now I'll just go with the yes, so that the template that will be saved, it can be run again. Okay, title, I'll go with the issue detail one, maybe run and save. Now it is successfully saved right here. So I'll click on this one. Let it publish first of all, and then we'll click on it. Okay, yeah, yeah, it's saved now. So let me click. So it'll show me each and everything that is going on in the project. So as of now, we just created one issue. So it'll show me only one issue right there. But if you are having multiple things going on in the project, it'll show you each and everything. Okay. So right now we all know that we just created one issue only. So okay, first of all, it'll show me the details by which we are creating this particular things as well. There's one clash, duct clashing with the wall. So if I click on that one, it'll show me the particular page. Right there, I can see that's coordination issue, and it's selected to it has assigned to BIM manager, and the BIM manager is the another guy, and should date on those kind of things. So the view screenshot is also right there. If you want to open, it'll show us in PNG format. So those kind of things you can use. Okay, it has shown us in build, but build we'll discuss maybe in next video. Will not cover the build part as of now. Uh, Let me close this one and that. So you got the point, right? That how we can create the report, how we can see the views. Yeah, if I click on the views, the view that we have saved, right? So we can see that particular view right here, the view of duct. If you can remember. Yeah, right here you can see there are two views. Like if you want to save this particular one in docs as well, you can save this one. So if I'll click on save to docs, the same A view named as A will be shown in docs. Like let me save it in, because I'm working as a MEP guy right now. So I'll go in MEP, save. So inside the MEP folder, I can see the same thing right there. Let me go in docs. and WIP, MIP, and LB. See why it is not trying. Is it publishing as of now? It should not happen. It should be shown right there. An MP, right? We have saved that one in MP. It's not showing right there. Let me refresh it. Should show that particular view right here. Yeah, it is right there. I guess it was taking a little bit time. So yeah. So the point is, whatever we are, saving the view. So if I'll click right here, it'll show me the particular view uh, at the same angle when I saved this particular view. Okay. So okay, it did not show me the actual one. Maybe there was some problem, but the point is we can see it like that way. So, okay, I'm not going with that much depth because that is not that much useful. So let me click on model coordination. Let me see if there is anything pending in terms of discussion or something like that. So we have discussed about the models, views, clashes as well. The same thing. The clashes will be shown right here as well. You can see one clash from our Rachel, one is from maybe side as well. Okay, there are two models shown right there. View, duct or view A. Both the views are right there that we have saved. Actually, duct I have saved earlier, so that is why issues. One issue will be open right there. So if you already done it, so as the BIM manager to whom it is assigned, so he'll open the issue like just it's already open, but I'm uh, saying about the clicking about that particular one, and it'll go right here. Sorry, it is up. Click on change the status, and it's closed or something like that, or it'll be directly assigned to the this particular email ID to who had assigned you the same one. Okay, and now in review or something like that, you can do that thing so that he can review and close the same thing. Okay, so that's about the clashes. Now what's pending? Meetings, yeah, that's fine. Well, reporting members and settings. So yeah, we have covered the model coordination again. Now let's discuss about takeoff. How many minutes? It's 27 minutes. Okay, we can discuss about takeoff, and then we'll close this particular video, and then we'll discuss the remaining portion in our next video. Okay, right now you can see we are at takeoff. There are more features right there. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah. We are working as a Gamma project, first of all, inside the Gamma project. And now there are three options. Okay, first one, define classification and measurements. Second one is 2D, 3D files and models, and the takeoff package. So we have to fill each and everything. This is the right mark, but when you will start this option, there will not be right mark. So do not worry. I'll tell you how you can check this one. All these three should be checked. After than that only, you will be able to go with the takeoff. Okay, so I'll click on the first option that is showing the settings right here. uh, I'll go with the metric or imperial, whatever we are selecting, but please make sure because after that it will not be changed. Okay, so I'll go with the metric. Yeah, classification system, definitely I'll click on the classification system right here. So that was the earlier one that I have uploaded, but let me export first of all, and I'll tell you how you can do and upload your own classification template. Okay, so I just exported one template, let it open when it will be downloaded, and then I'll show you how I did it and how you can do it. Okay, so maybe let me show you in a simple way. There are two options. Either your client already provided you the Kobe data of your particular project, or you will be having an Excel file or Notepad where all the data is available. So you can either use that one, or you can define by your own Kobe data. So right now, let me what we can say show you. I just created by my own. That's not the good thing, like good example, but I just want to show you for the takeoff thing only. right? So let me actually, when you'll open, these row will not be right there. Okay, so you'll see like, okay, let me enable it. Yeah, so you will see like this. Okay, so right now that's very important. This is the main thing, on the basis of which you can define your things. So right now I'll not go in that much, uh, you know in that much detail in terms of Kobe data. So I'll just simply write here, like I just wanted to go A10 should be my ducts, sorry, ducts, and right now the level will be 1. That's fine. I'm not going in that much depth. The measures, there are 4 options in the measures. I can select from right here, and then I can change inside the project as well. So we are having both the options. So let me go with the okay, let me go with the count, and then I'll show you how we can change in ECC. Okay, same thing for the A20. I'll go with the cable tray. This is also level 1. Okay, and I'll go with the count A30 spikes. Okay, and it will be count only. So yeah, that's done now. Right. Let me save it, and then I'll go right here, the template, and then I'll show you how we can upload. Now re-import, or at the first time you'll see the custom import option. Okay, so you can use both the things are same. I'll go with the downloads. I guess it's in my download. Open, and it'll be opened. Now right now it's showing that it is in red color, and right here we can see save custom system, save custom. It'll show us the notification. Yeah, it's already updated. Okay, so it is updated. Click on this box and close. Now come again at the home page. The first box will be checked. It is already checked in my system, but new system also will be checked. Now let's go with the second option. I can upload the 2D drawings or something like that. Okay, let me show you uh, docs. Let me upload one PDF right there. I'll show you both the ways. Okay. So I have exported one PDF from the Revit model, and let me upload this file in WIP, MEP, yeah, right here only, and drag it. Perfect. So what I'm doing is that I just uploading one PDF. One model is already right there. So we'll see how we can use the same thing and Takeoff, right? So let's see. Yeah. So if I'll click on this upload 2D or 3D, first of all, go let's 3D. Meanwhile, the 2D file will be uploaded. So if I'll click on files right there, I can do the same thing. Either I can click right there or upload the model from right there. There are two ways. Either you can directly upload from your computer, like the downloaded files, or you can use this particular ACC platform as well. So if I click on the files right here, and then it will show me the files available in this particular project. Okay. So yeah, same. I'll go with the WIP MEP, and I'll upload the my MEP model. Okay. Let me click this one. There will be a publish option. So it will publish the same model in Takeoff feature as well. So it is already published. Let me close this one. I'll click on files again so that, okay, first of all, let me go sheets and models so that I'll go with the 2D sheets, and then I'll upload the same thing. Same thing, you can upload from your folder as well. But I'll be going with this one so that meanwhile, if you are uploading anything on ACC, this will take the latest one. Okay. Now again, I'll go with WIP, MEP. I'll select the PDF. Sorry, I should click on this one. Close Takeoff. Yeah, clicked on that one and upload the same thing. right there on Takeoff folder. So we have uploaded 2D and 3D sheets and models, right? So let it refresh and then we'll discuss further what we can do. Okay. So yeah, right now, okay, asking about that one. So let's go with this is my version 1. I'm just going with the random name or something like that. Because it's asking for the PDF, right? So that it can define issuance date is of today, and there's the PDF file. Perfect. Next sheet. Okay, and then it is review the sheet. It'll review the sheet and rectify the things based on that. So right now it has already rectified that sheet number is 101. Okay, and if I'll click on this option, if it is not rectifying, we can click right here, drag sheet number area. After that, then that it can define. If you wanted to edit the sheet number, you can click right here, use file name as a sheet number or something like that. Edit rule. If you want to add something after that and before then that sheet number, you can do that thing as well. Okay. Now next to titles and tags, if I click on this one, it'll ask me about the sheet title or something like that. Right now you can see it is not, you know, what we can say, figuring it out where is the sheet title. So what I can do, I can select this one, drag sheet title area. Okay, it'll show me the sheet, and then I'll define the particular area from where he can go with the, what you can say, sheet name or title. So right now it is untitled, so it'll show me the untitled right there. Okay, yeah, you can see unnamed, sorry. If you want to change, you can change from right here as well. Or what you can do is that click on edit the rules and add some rules. I want to add characters and I want to add prefix of this particular one. So you can see the changes right here in the after. So for example, I want to type MEP. Okay, you can see MEP dash unnamed. Apply and select the sheets. So whatever the sheets I'm right here selected, it will apply it on the same. Okay, so that's the thing. Tags, it is showing the architectural, but it's not the architectural one. So what I'll do is that cancel this one, type right here MEP and create a tag. It has created the tag of MEP. Okay, click on publish sheets. So it will publish my sheet. Okay, so let it publish and then one sheet is ready to view. Okay, now as I click right there, I can see that sheet right there as well. Perfect. So we have published the sheet as well, 3D model. Perfect. Now, click on homepage. Let me see what's pending right there. So 1 is checked, 2 is checked. Now 3 is pending. So we'll create a package right here by MEP Takeoff and create a package. Yeah, so before clicking on that one, let me show you everything is checked or not right there at the home page. So we'll go right there, we'll see one by one package right here. Click on this MEP Takeoff, and now let me, there are two options, sheets and models. Second one is Takeoff types. We'll discuss both because both are important. At the top you can see MEP Takeoff, that's our package. If you want to create a new one, you can create from right here. Let me click on document. What kind of document you want to choose? Go with the drawing or go with the model? Let's go with the drawing first and then we'll go with the model as well. Okay, so that's PDF. It's already rectified. Okay, now it's opening the PDF. Sometimes the scale does not match, so in that scenario you can select from right here as well. Okay, so I'm not changing as of now. Let's okay, bookmark thing you can see right here. For example, there are 50 plus models and you do not want to scroll each time, you just wanted to focus on 2 3 models. So what you can do, you can just bookmark those things. Let me bookmark this one. You can see the change, it will be at the top. Okay,
So you can do those kind of things as well. Right now we are having two, so you cannot see that much difference, but if you are having multiple, you can see the difference. Okay. Now, let me show you something. So if I'll click on this takeoff type, I'm going with the drawing as of now, right? Click on this create takeoff type. Let's go with the duct, and then I'll go with the linear dimension. It means I just wanted to check the length of the duct, and click on the primary output, duct length. Perfect. Select the ducts from the classification Excel that we have put. Classification 1, right? Classification 2, we did not fill. If you observed at the home page when the first box was right there, there were two classification things. Classification 1, like classification system 1 and classification system 2. So if you wanted to go with the classification system 2 as well, you can go from right there as well. Okay. Now, unit of measures. As you can remember, at the time of Excel, I just mentioned that we can change the units from right as well. So as I have choose that I want to go with the length, so unit of measure will be meters. Okay, distance already changed based on distance. Perfect. Let me click on start takeoff. Do not click anywhere. Just click on the first point of the duct, second point of the duct, and press enter. Okay, so it has observed a length. It is showing right here in meters and right here in mm. Okay, now if I'll click on this left bottom inventory, it is showing right there as well. Perfect. If I click right here, it'll show right here based on the output name and unit or something like that, the document from which I haven't checked in. The location. If it is a room or something like that, it'll show us the location. But right now we just model just random duct, so that is why it is not showing based on the area or something like that. Okay, but no worries about that one. Now press escape. We have created a duct. Let's go with the duct area. Okay, so let's go with the duct area. How much area it is? It is already shown in the BOM, right? Sorry, in the what we can say uh, in the BIM model. But right now we are going manually, like we have observed the length manually, right? But when we'll go with the BIM model, we do not need to go manual. Okay. Let me click on this one, and I want to go with the duct again. Like you can change ducts so that it will not conflict with another one. I want to go with the area. Primary output will be duct area. Classification ducts, go with the area square meter, and formula is fine. Perfect. It'll show us in a green, like the area will be selected in green. We can change it from right here as well. Okay, now let me click on start takeoff, and do not click anywhere. You can see zoom in a little bit. Click on the first option, the second option, and the fourth option as well. Perfect. And press enter. So as I clicked on enter, it will show me the area of this one right here as well. We'll cross verify by right there in the BIM model as well. But right now you can cross check like that. Okay. Press escape command. I can see the same thing right here, the duct area as well. Perfect. Fine. Now let me go with the BIM model now. Let's create something. Let me change from BIM model, and let me close this one. Duct BIM area. Okay. Let's go like that way, and then click on this plus icon right here. So oh, sorry, I just put at the wrong place. Duct BIM area. Perfect. I'll go with the BIM model as of now, and then I'll click right here primary output. I want duct area. Select ducts, count area. Perfect. Mapping with the model. It's fine right here with us. Start takeoff. And now I want to select the particular duct. Click on this one. It'll show me 30 meters square. I guess we have gone with the top surface of that one only in 2D. Actually, the area that we have gone with the 2D, that's not for this one, that's for room area. But I just wanted to show you in terms of how we can do it. So this is the actual area of the duct. Let me show you right here. This is the actual duct area, and this is what we can say the duct area of 2D surface. I guess you can imagine 2D surface, the four corners area, but this is full-fledged area that we have considered of the duct. Okay, so this is the actual one, but this kind of thing we normally use for rooms area. The length and width in terms of that one. So we can go with that one as well. Let's go with the length so that you can consider length will be the linear one. So in both the cases will be same. So let me go with the duct length BIM. Okay. So I'm going with the BIM model. I'll add right here duct BIM length, and then I'll select the duct and meter, and I'll close this one, start takeoff, and then I'll select this particular duct right here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it is. It is showing the selected object already taken off. Okay, because we already taken the duct length. That is why it is not considering right here. But I guess you got my point. What I want to say. So everything will be right here. Whatever you have extracted in terms of takeoff things, and you can export all those things from right here. Okay. So I just clicked on start takeoff, and it will show me the axle what we have taken. It is not about ducts only. You can go with the cable trays, pipes, whatever you want to go with that one. Okay. So let me open the axle. So you can see it'll show us everything. So if you have gone with the pipes and ducts as well, it'll show different kind of things. What we choose and in terms of the document and those kind of things it'll show right here. Okay, the details will show us right here. If you've gone with the pipes and cable trays as well, it'll show us right there as well. So I guess you have better understanding now in terms of the model coordination feature of ACC and takeoff thing as well. In our next video, we'll try to cover all these three options because insights is just 5 minute job. Let me show you the insights right now, and then we'll go with the remaining features later. So I just clicked on insights, let it open, and then we'll see what is it's reflecting right now. Okay, so insights means what's going on in the project, what's the status of the project, and what's pending, what we got, what we transferred, those kind of things we can see right here. So this kind of dashboard. Project address, definitely I just put Delhi address for this one, Delhi, Noida kind of thing. So you can see, you can zoom in, zoom out right there as well. You can go with the maximum map, and you can see the actual location. So I put at Delhi, Noida location. So it'll show us based on the coordinates actually. Okay, let me minimize it. That's fine. Weather right there, 104 degree. I guess that's in Fahrenheit. I'm not sure it's in Fahrenheit or centigrade, but it should be in Fahrenheit. If I'll click on Celsius, it'll be converted based on 40 degrees Celsius right now. The weather, it'll be forecasting that this will be the weather till Friday, something like that. Okay. If there is any RFIs or my RFIs, it'll be shown right there. Okay. There is nothing in terms of RFI as of now. The Clash project issues are right there. My issues, my company's issues, or something like that. If you want to cross check, you can cross check right there. Project submittals. We'll discuss this one in build options right there. So we'll discuss in when we are discussing about build. Okay. So we'll see about the submittals as well. RFI and submittals. Open RFIs and submittals. You can see right here. The design packages that published or got something like that. We can see right here. Semi package and our actual package, those kind of things. So if anything is added new, it will be shown right there as well at the empty space. Okay. So that's all about insights as of now, and we have covered almost the key points. We'll discuss about these three in further next video. So thanks a lot guys for watching this one. If you are having any doubt, any issues, just comment in this video. We'll discuss about those points as well in my further videos. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.